Hi, my name is Xu Ye. I come from Beijing, China. Now I'm a senior in UC Davis. My major is managerial economics and my minor is accounting. Actually, I'm a transfer student. I have studied at Cascadia College for 3 years and got a very good grade. Then I transferred to UC Davis. Cascadia College is located in Seattle, Washington, and for UC Davis, of course, in Davis, California. And I have to say the weather of these two places is extremely different. For Seattle, it rains a lot, and it gives you a feeling that it is raining almost all year, and you barely can't see the sun during the rainy season. But for Davis, the weather is dry and there is not much rain, even in the rainy season. You can see the sun for nearly every day, and I like sunny days. I'm not saying I don't like Seattle. Seattle is the first place for me living in America, and I have a lot good memories there. But I like the weather in California so much. I enjoy the sunshine here. This is an interesting fact about me. Thank you for listening, and I really looking forward to have the chance studying at USC.